Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
First, confirm your Android phone supports USB OTG or card readers. Locate the phone model specifications and enable OTG in settings if necessary. Next, gather a compatible card reader and the correct adapter for USB-C or micro USB. Inspect the micro SD card for physical damage and note the card capacity in GB. If Android does not detect the card, format the micro SD to FAT32 or XFAT. Start by inserting the micro SD into the card reader until it clicks into place. Plug the reader into your Android phone using the proper USB-C or micro USB connector. Watch for a notification that the external storage was detected by Android. If prompted, grant storage permissions to the File Manager app or system. Open the Files app or Settings and locate the external storage entry by its capacity in GB. Tap to mount the card if mounting does not occur automatically. Open the Files app and navigate to the external storage labeled with the card capacity. Select photos, videos, or documents and use Copy or Move to transfer files. Monitor the progress bar and ensure files do not exceed the available GB on the card. For large transfers, keep the phone awake and avoid incoming calls that might interrupt the process. When finished, go to Settings or the Files app and unmount or eject the micro SD before unplugging the card reader. Always confirm transfers completed to prevent data loss.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.